Carnival's Pen Swap, a pencils only outrage. Carnival Cruise Line, always making waves. But this time it's not about new ships, onboard thrills, or even those infamous chair hogs by the pool. Nope, this controversy is sharper than ever because it's about pins. Or more specifically, the tragic disappearance of them. The Great Amenities Vanishing Act. To be fair, this isn't just a Carnival thing. Hotels and cruise lines have been cutting back on amenities for years. Remember the good old days when hotel bathrooms felt like a mini convenience store? You had tiny shampoos, fancy lotions, sewing kits, even a shower cap you'd never use. Now, you're lucky if there's a wall-mounted dispenser of mystery liquid that claims to be shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, all in one. Efficient? Sure. Does it feel like it belongs in a gas station restroom? Also, yes. Cruise lines have followed suit. Royal Caribbean has cut back on cabin extras, reducing amenities to a single soap dispenser in non-suite rooms. Want a pen to jot down your cruise memories? Good luck. But Carnival? Carnival held out. For a while, they were the last major line still providing pens. That is, until now. The pencil predicament. Now you might be thinking, it's just a pen, what's the big deal? Well, for some passengers, it's a very big deal. A pen is practical. It writes smoothly, doesn't smudge, and doesn't require sharpening. And for many cruisers, the Carnival branded Fez pen was a free keepsake. A pencil? Not quite the same. It breaks, it dulls, it needs sharpening. It smudges like crazy if you have to write anything quickly. And worst of all, it just doesn't feel as fancy. One particularly salty passenger had enough and took their complaints straight to Carnival's brand ambassador, John Heald. In a strongly worded email they wrote, "Carnival still provides pencils in the cabin. Really? LOL. Carnival pencils are unusable. Every other cruise line in the world gives pens, nice pens, to take home. What are we supposed to do with a pencil? I hate pencils, and so do most adults." Whoa, someone really needed to fill out a room service card. Carnival's response, humor, and sustainability. Now, John Heald has been Carnival's go-to guy for handling customer complaints with a mix of humor, honesty, and just the right amount of sass. His response? "I don't have time to ask Uncle Google if every other cruise line in the world has pins in the cabin." Something tells me that this may not be correct. Heald went on to explain that the switch to pencils was part of Carnival's effort to reduce single-use plastics. And it's not just Carnival, even luxury hotels like Hyatt, Marriott, and Hilton have made similar swaps. Pencils over pens, or sometimes nothing at all. So this isn't just a Carnival thing. It's part of a bigger trend in the hospitality industry. Pen versus pencil. Why are people so mad? Now, at first glance, this whole debate might sound a little ridiculous. It's a pen, not a free drink package. But for many cruisers, it's not just about writing. It's about what the pen represents. A practical tool for room service orders, notes, and filling out forms. A small but thoughtful amenity that shows Carnival is thinking about guest comfort. A free souvenir that's easy to keep and reminds you of your trip. Pencils? They don't really check those boxes. They're not as practical. They don't feel as premium. And let's be real, no one's framing their Carnival pencil as a keepsake. But here's where it gets funny. Some passengers have actually embraced the pencil. They've turned it into an inside joke. posting photos on social media of their beloved Carnival pencils, taking them home as a quirky, budget-friendly souvenir. Others still fuming. They want the pen back, and they're making it known. The internet reacts. Carnival passengers are divided. This smallest of small changes has sparked a wave of passionate discussions online. Some passengers are fired up, saying the pencil is a downgrade and not practical. Others are mocking the outrage, joking that if this is the worst thing that happens on your cruise, you're doing just fine. And then there's the eco-conscious crowd, who actually appreciate the move toward sustainability. Some passengers have even started hoarding Carnival's pencils, seeing them as a collector's item. Who knew a wooden stick with graphite could be so controversial? Will Carnival bring back the pen? So what's next? Will Carnival cave to the pressure and bring back the pen? Or will passengers just have to sharpen up and deal with it? Right now, it's unclear. But if this whole saga proves anything, it's that even the smallest cabin amenities can make a big splash. So if you're sailing on Carnival soon and you prefer pens over pencils, do yourself a favor, pack one just in case. Final thoughts. At the end of the day, the great Carnival pen versus pencil debate is proof that people really care about the little things on their cruise. And honestly, that's not a bad thing. Whether you're team pen or team pencil, one thing is clear. People are passionate about their cruise experience down to the tiniest details. And hey, maybe that's what makes cruising so special. Otro, join the debate. So what do you think? Are you team pen, bring back the classic, sleek, Carnival branded writing tool? Or team pencil, it's sustainable, it's quirky, and hey, at least it's something? Drop a comment below and let's settle this once and for all. And while you're here, don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed the rant or just love a good cruise debate. Subscribe for more salty takes, cruise news, and rants about the weird and wonderful world of cruising. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of The Salty Seafarer. And if you want even more cruise news, tips, and deep dives, head over to yourdailycruise.com for the latest updates straight from the high seas. Thanks for watching, and remember, pack your own pen. You never know when you'll need it.